Now it only shows AI search server is busy. My face on my watch, I need to pay 8 rupees a month. This is a budget smartwatch with some premium features. This is NoiseFit Twist from Noise. Now one thing that's really caught my eye is the AI search feature. Sound fancy, right? But does it actually work or it just another gimmick? We are gonna test that along with all its other features. So let's get started. Inside the box, you get the smartwatch itself, a bunch of documents and the charging cable. It's a pogo-pin connector with a magnetic dock, but honestly the magnet isn't that strong. But it works perfectly. When you power it on, it shows a QR code to download the NoiseFit app, available on Play Store and App Store. Once you log in, the app scans for nearby devices. Just tap your watch name and boom, connected automatically. Now let's talk about the design. The Twist looks premium with its circular body and metallic finish, and for the first time a stainless steel back. The zinc alloy frame feels solid and it's surprisingly slim. No bulky sensor bump. Honestly, at this price it's impressive. It uses a standard 22mm silicone strap, comfortable for daily wear, and yes, removable if you want to swap colors. But if you have got a skinny wrist like me, the big dial might look a little oversized. Display is the highlight here. You get a 1.43-inch AMOLED panel with a crisp 466 by 466 pixel resolution. Vibrant colors, blacks are deep, brightness is solid, and outdoor visibility excellent. Feature-wise, Noise packed a lot here. You get 100+ sports mode, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, sleep tracking, stress monitor, breathing exercise, and even a cycle tracker for women. Just set your dates in the app and it will remind you automatically. Step counting, though not the most accurate. I tested with 100 steps and it showed me 85. So yeah, around 80 to 90% accuracy. But here's the good part. Heart rate and SpO2 readings are super accurate. I compared them with a medical oximeter and the numbers were almost identical. That's impressive. Stress test says I'm normal. I'm not stressed because I am the stress. Now you also get Bluetooth calling. Yes, you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist. Save contacts, dial number with this tiny keypad and talk hands-free. Here's a sample of how my voice sounds from the watch mic. The voice you are hearing right now comes directly from my smartwatch. This is the voice quality the person on the other end will hear when you are on a call. Not bad, right? Apart from that, you get SMS notification, app alerts, weather updates, music controls, remote camera shutter, stopwatch, alarm, calculator, and even mini games. But my personal favorite is the QR code shortcut. Just save your UPI QR and flash your wrist to get paid. There is also AI voice that triggers Google Assistant or Siri. Make me a coffee.
I am a large language model, not a physical entity.
1 hour later.
Coffee.
But the star of the show is the AI search. This watch actually connects to AI. Yep, ChatGPT style. To answer your question, you ask, it replies. That's a big wow moment on a budget watch. Initially, we used this feature and it worked very well. But just a few days later, it stopped working. Now it only shows AI search server is busy, and it's been quite a while. We even emailed Noise regarding this but didn't get any satisfactory reply. And I don't know why they haven't fixed the issue yet. The NoiseFit Twist to last about 3 to 4 days with regular use. Notifications, some calls, fitness tracking. If you keep Bluetooth calling on 24/7, expect 1 to 2 days max. It IP68 rated, so safe against sweat, rain or splashes. You can wash it but don't go deep swimming with it. The NoiseFit app is clean and detailed. It syncs all your health data and even lets you connect with the Google Fit. We talked about pros, now let's talk about cons. You also get 100+ watch faces in the app, but here's the catch. Custom watch faces need a subscription. Yup, even if I just want to put my face on my watch, I need to pay 8 rupees a month. Like seriously? 8 rupees a month to look at my own face on my wrist? Let me ask my husband, would you rather put my face on your smartwatch? Leave it. Anyway, if it's your Pookie's face, then fine, go for it. Another con, despite being AMOLED, there's no always on display option. They probably skipped it to save battery life. And no GPS, though at this price I wasn't expecting it. I grabbed this smartwatch for just Rs 2,499 on Amazon. Link is in the description. For that price, it looks stylish, feels premium, and the AI search makes it stand out from the crowd. I just wish the dial was a little smaller, maybe 1.38 inches, so it would look better on slimmer wrists like mine. But overall, for this price, this is a fantastic deal. Alright guys, stay smart, subscribe to ARsmart and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I am Ankita and see you guys in the next one.